Salamat po sa inyong pagbabalik. Salamat po sa inyong pagbalik upang ipagdiwang natin ang ating pagiging Pilipino, ang ating pagiging Kristiyano. Upang parangalan natin ang ating dalawang santo, Pedro Calungsod at Lorenzo Ruiz. Salamat sa Diyos, ako ay Pilipino. In 1986, after the EDSA People Power Revolution, the whole world saw the greatness of the Filipino. We were standing tall like giants in the family of nations. We proved to the world that there can be social change without bloodshed. We proved to the world that love is more powerful than violence. We proved to the world that prayer is more powerful than guns and tanks and cannons. And we succeeded. The whole world saw the greatness of the Filipino people power at EDSA through the magic of television. Around the same time, my niece, who also lives in America, told me that their teacher asked them in class what they wanted to be when they grow up. All of them saw by CNN and BBC the People Power Revolution of 1986. One of the students said, "I want to be an astronaut. I want to be a movie star. I want to be the President of the United States. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be a beauty queen." One boy, an American boy, who saw on CNN People Power 1986, was asked by his teacher, "You, what do you want to be when you grow up?" And he said, "Me, when I grow up, I want to be a Filipino. I want to be a Filipino." That boy saw that there is greatness in the Filipino. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, I request you, whisper a prayer to God and say to God, "Salamat sa Diyos, ako ay Pilipino." The Philippines is God's gift to you. The Philippines is God's blessing to you. Wherever fate may lead you, to America, to Europe, to Africa, to Australia, to any other parts of the world, please always stand tall and say, "I'm a Filipino." Maybe our skin is not as nice as their skin, or our nose is flattened, or our eyes are not as beautiful as their eyes, or we are shorter than them and we cannot play basketball with them. But with our stature, with our physical looks, with our skin, we can still be proud because I am a Filipino. Kababayan ko si Jose Rizal. Kadugo ko si Andres Bonifacio. Kasing tapang ko si Lapu-Lapu. Kasing talino ko si Ninoy Aquino. We are poor, but we are rich in the things of God. Pero hindi lamang salamat sa Diyos bilang Pilipino. Salamat sa Diyos, ako ay Kristiyano. Ako ay Kristiyano, may kaluluwa ako. Ako ay Kristiyano, kamukha ako ng Diyos. I was created in the likeness of God, and Jesus died on the cross for me. Salamat sa Diyos, ako ay Kristiyano, and my Catholic faith that I received in the Philippines is a blessing that I will always treasure for the rest of my life. Like San Lorenzo Ruiz, we can go to any other part of the world and we can say, "I am a Filipino, I am a Christian, and if I have 1,000 lives, I will die 1,000 times for the Lord." Thank God I am a Filipino. Thank God I'm a Christian. And lastly, please whisper to the Lord, thank God for the promise of life everlasting. Salamat sa Diyos, may buhay na walang hanggan. I know that when I stop breathing, I know that when they declare me dead, I will never really be dead because I have shared in the banquet of the Lord and my destiny is life everlasting. Everything that our eyes can see, everything that our hands can touch, everything that our bodies can enjoy, all of these will pass away. But in the end, some things will not pass. Love will never die, and our souls are for life everlasting. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.